Hey everyone, today we will be taking a look at this Stingray White Legion 5 Pro. How did I get it? Which country did I get it from? How much did I pay? What kind of components it has inside? And how long did I wait? Stay tuned. I got it from the official Lenovo website of Thailand. There used to be a third option here, and it was customizable. It was the only way to get the white version to customize it. Even though I got a sweet deal on this laptop for 51,000 baht, which equals to around 1500 US dollars, I waited a long time for this laptop to come. I ordered it on April 17. It was shipped on June 12th and it was delivered to me on June 21st. So I waited 2 months for this laptop to come. My system details are Ryzen 7 5800H, RTX 3070, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and Stingray white color. Take a look at this keyboard configuration. When you choose the Stingray color, the only option for keyboard is blue backlit keyboard. There is no RGB option for the Stingray color. Speaking of the RAM, I got lucky and my laptop came with super rare RAMXL RAMs with double-sided chips and 1x8-bit specification. Here is my Zen timings table. My laptop came with good timings. I guess that's just a lottery. You can get good or bad timings just depending on your configuration or just depending on your location. To me, the white version looks absolutely beautiful. On the back, it's made out of aluminum, and this Legion logo has blue LED behind. It does not come with any RGB, it only has blue LED. The back comes in this gray color. As usual, all the ports are on the back. And this part is plastic, it's not metal. The left side is also as usual. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C, this small Legion detail, alongside with this plastic fan exhaust. On the right, there is one USB port, a physical webcam disconnector, and this other exhaust fan. Keyboard is also white. This part is plastic, not metal, and the keyboard comes with only blue LED, not RGB. The white version doesn't have RGB option. The keyboard has only 2 brightness steps. I wish it was more. It has closed, dim, and bright. On top, there is a sticker showing you how you can change the power profiles with a function shortcut. Here, there are stickers. I will take these out because I don't like stickers on my laptop. And on the right, there is a metal Lenovo logo. The power button indicates which performance profile you are on. So blue means silent. Let's change it. White means balanced. And red means performance mode. The screen is very bright, has 1600p resolution, and the bezels look very slim. This is how the screen looks. I personally like it. The Legion logo on the back is lit up with a blue, bright blue LED. This is how the LED behaves when you close the lid or put it in sleep mode.